Introducing the Leica Disto D2G, the same precision and innovation you trust, now with enhanced visibility. The D2G's green laser ensures superior visibility, perfect for precise indoor measurements. A bright 4-line LCD display ensures clear, easy-to-read data in any lighting condition. With a 120-meter range, perfect for large indoor spaces. Smart horizontal mode with its built-in inclination sensor ensures accurate indirect measurements, ideal for overcoming obstacles in large spaces. With the Disto Plan App, it's easy to document photos with measurements or create room plans. The built-in end-piece with automatic reference switching allows measurements to be taken from corners or edges. The Smart Room feature allows you to automatically generate room plans as you measure, boosting on-site efficiency and streamlining your workflow. Create with the Disto Plan App scaled room plans and export them directly to CAD for seamless workflow integration. Leica Disto D2G. Make measuring easier. Use the original.